This 2026 Jayco Redhawk SE 29 kFarads is a Class C RV. It is located in Raleigh, North Carolina, 27610 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 7 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2026 Jayco Redhawk SE 29 kFarads is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.